Incremental greetings, this is Incremental, also known as William Palace. Today, I want to share you some little trick I discovered today. So let's take for instance the English collection. Let's say you are doing this repetition and for whatever reason, even if it's your collection, you want to go to the most parent, the first most top element on your knowledge tree. Here, this one, which is, let's say, quote quote, to cover, right? There's one little trick you can do for that. Yes, you can just click on it, your mouse, but especially if you're not using the components window. So what you can do if you don't want to use the mouse is by Control Up, right? Control Up, which goes to the parent, next parent, new items, next parent, advanced English, and finally advanced English 2018. So you have to use the shortcut for every level of hierarchy in the knowledge tree. But I discovered something useful, is that will be the first item. Okay, now that's the ID element number of this item, which is not the RD, that's the order, not the internal ID. 1 and voila. And since it's always the same, it will always be number 1. You can have an auto hotkey script. And instead of Alt G, 1 enter, which is 3 steps, you can just have it on one single key. Perhaps it won't be that useful for you, but for me, it's most useful than usual, because when I want to record the video and I want to start from here, I can do it very quickly. It's just a small trick, so obviously this is not meant to be done for this purpose, but it's just a shortcut.